Hello to all of you who are watching this video. This is the seventh lesson on learning the sketch environment. In this lesson, we will go to the operation toolbox and you will learn how to draw corner and chamfer. Okay, let's go on the screen and start the lesson.
I got this magic in my fingertips, designing dreams with every click. Shapes and wonders coming to life. With Katia, I cut through strife. In my mind, the future's clear. No more doubts, no more fear. Crafting visions in 3D. Katia's the key, don't you see? I can reach the sky so high. Build my dreams, no need to try. With every tool I sculpt my fate. Katia helps me innovate.
Hello everyone. So far, we have looked at the tools in the profile toolbar. These tools are used to draw various geometric shapes. But to modify them, we also need other tools. These tools are in the operation toolbar. In this lesson, I want to talk about two tools. The first toolbar is called corner. This toolbar has two tools. The first tool is called corner tool. To use this tool, you must first have a shape. If you watched the first lesson, there I said that our strategy is like this. First we draw the shape, then we complete the drawn shapes with the tools from the operation toolbar. Imagine you have a rectangle on the page. Now we want to round its corners. First click on the corner command until it turns orange. Then we select two adjacent sides of the rectangle. You can see that an arc is formed. The size of this arc changes by moving the mouse. We click at a desired point. We can see that the corner of the rectangle is removed and an arc has replaced it. Please note that the arc size is also shown in the shape. Please note that the arc is tangent to the two sides of the rectangle. The tangent symbol is shown as a green equal. Here, you saw that the sides of the rectangle were cut and removed. Click on the command again. Look at the Sketch Tools toolbar. 6 different arc drawing modes are shown. These 6 modes actually show the final shape of the rectangle after the arc is placed. The first mode is orange and active by default. In this mode, the corners are seen to be removed. This mode is called Trim by All Elements. We activate the corner tool again. We select the second mode, Trim First Element. With this mode active, we click on two adjacent sides of the rectangle. You can see that the first side is cut, but the second side is not cut. The third mode is called No Trim. After activating the corner tool, we click on it until it turns orange. We select the other adjacent sides of the rectangle. You can see that the arc is drawn and the sides remain unchanged. The fourth mode is called Standard Lines Trim. Imagine we have two intersecting lines. We activate the No Trim mode. We select the two intersecting lines. You can see that the arc is drawn and the lines remain unchanged. Now activate the fourth mode. We select the two intersecting lines. You can see that their extensions are removed. Imagine we have such a shape. Activate the corner and its fourth mode again. Select the two lines at the corners of the quadrilateral. You can see that the extra extensions of the horizontal line has been removed. Look at the yellow lines next to the icon of the third and fourth arc modes. These lines indicate the state that will happen after applying the command. The fifth mode is called Construction Lines Trim. In this mode, the sides of the rectangle are cut but not removed. Instead, their extensions are shown as construction lines. Activate this mode and select two adjacent sides of the rectangle. You can see that the arc is drawn and the extra parts of the sides become construction lines. Sixth mode is also called Construction Lines No Trim. This mode is similar to the third mode, but the remaining lines are construction lines. Imagine we have two intersecting lines. Activate the corner command and the sixth mode. Select the two lines. After the arc is formed, click at a desired point. You can see that the arc is formed and the extra parts of the lines have become construction lines. The second tool in the corner toolbar is called the tangent arc. As you saw when drawing the arc is tangent to both lines. In this tool, the drawn arc is tangent to only one of the lines from one side. The arc drawn from the other side connects to the second line at the selected point. Imagine we have a rectangle. Click on the command until it turns orange. On the rectangle, first click on the horizontal side and then on the vertical side. You can see that the arc is tangent to the horizontal side. This tangency also moves with the movement of the mouse. You can see that the arc is connected to the vertical side at the click point. This point does not move with the movement of the mouse. Activate this command again. Look at the Sketch Tools toolbar. Two different modes are visible. The first mode is called Trim First Element. With this mode active, the side of the rectangle that the arc is not tangent will not be cut. The second mode is No Trim. With this mode active, the two sides of the rectangle remain unchanged. The next tool is called Chamfer. You can see that unlike other tools, there is no black triangle next to it. This means that this tool has no sub-options. Imagine we have a rectangle. We want to chamfer its corners. Click on the chamfer tool until it turns orange. Look at the Sketch Tools toolbar. Just like the corner tool, there are 6 different modes. Select one of the modes. Select 2 adjacent sides of the rectangle. Move the mouse and click at a suitable point. You can see that the corner of the rectangle is chamfered and the chamfer angle is displayed. Click on the chamfer tool again. Select 2 adjacent sides of the rectangle. Look at the Sketch Tools toolbar. Besides the 6 modes related to keeping or removing the size of the rectangle, 3 different chamfer dimensioning modes are visible. The first and default mode is called hypotenuse and angle. This dimensioning mode was seen in the first drawing. Activate the second dimensioning mode. The second mode is called first and second length. Chamfer is formed by moving the mouse. Click at a suitable point. You can see that a chamfer is formed. On the chamfer, 2 horizontal and vertical dimensions are displayed. Note that the 2 dimensions are equal. If you want the chamfer dimensions on the sides to be different, you must enter numbers in the first length and the second length sections. These 2 sections are visible in the Sketch Tools toolbar. Activate the chamfer tool. Select 2 adjacent sides of the rectangle. Activate the second dimensioning mode. Double-click in the first length box until it turns blue. Enter the number 20. Press the Tab key on the keyboard. You will go to the second box, second length. In this box, type the number 30. Press the Enter key or click on the screen. The chamfer is formed with the given dimensions. Click on the chamfer tool again. Select 2 adjacent sides of the rectangle. Activate the third dimensioning mode. This mode is called first length and angle. Move the mouse and click at the desired point. A chamfer with a specific angle and dimension is formed. Note that the dimension is given perpendicular to the second side you select. Here too, we can enter numbers for the specific angle and dimension. Note, as I said before, there is no need to enter precise values. In previous examples, you saw that I selected 2 adjacent sides of the rectangle. Now imagine we have 2 lines on the screen. These 2 lines do not have direct contact with each other. These 2 lines meet when extended. First click on the chamfer tool, then click on the 2 lines. If we move the mouse outside the edges of the lines, we still see that a chamfer is formed. Now we click at a suitable point. You can see that the chamfer is formed. The 2 lines are also extended and connected to the edges of the chamfer. The same situation also exists for corner. Imagine we have two lines. Activate the corner command. Click on the two lines. Move the mouse outside the edges of the two lines. Click at the suitable point. The corner is formed. The two lines are extended until they attach to the edges of the corner. Well, that's enough for now. Today's lesson is finished. Please watch the lesson twice. The first time, just watch. The second time, practice along with me. Goodbye until the next lesson.
Let's build the future. Come with me, don't hold back. Turn your thoughts into a track.